In Flanders Fields, questions and answers. Question number 1. In the phrase that mark our place, who do you think our refers to? Answer. Here our refers to the soldiers who died during the war. Question 2. In the stanza, what can be heard in the sky and on the land? Answer. The singing of larks in the sky and the sound of guns can be heard on the land. Number 3. Short days ago, we lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved. Who is referred to as we here? Answer. Here, we is referred to those people who fought during the war and sacrificed their lives. B. What does felt dawn mean? It means that they did really exist. C. What happened to the we in these lines? They were killed during the war. Question number 4. To you from failing hands we throw the torch. What do you think the torch symbolizes? Answer. The torch symbolizes the uncompleted task. B. What message is the poet giving to others? Answer. The poet requests the living to take up the challenge and to continue the work that they have left unfinished. Number 5. If ye break faith with us. Here, break faith means carry on the legacy of struggle. 6. Who or what do you think the foe in this poem? Answer. The foe in this poem are the enemies. Enemies of those soldiers who were killed. Number 7. What do you think poppies stand for in this poem? In this poem, poppies stand for the spirit of the dead and the blood that was shed in the fields, because these symbolize the dead soldiers and their presence in Flanders fields. Question 8. The words Flanders fields are an example of alliteration. Find 2 more examples of alliteration in the poem. So here you should know what an alliteration is. Alliteration is the repetition of the consonant letter in the same line. So here Flanders fields, here F is repeated. So that is an example of alliteration. So another examples we can find, that is loved and were loved and now we lie. So here L is repeated 3 times. So this is an example of alliteration, and again we have from failing, so F is repeated. Now number 9. The poet talks about the lives, deaths and duties of soldiers, but victory in war often comes at the cost of precious lives. Do you think it's fair that soldiers are expected to give up their lives for their country? So here the answers will differ from person to person. You can try it yourself. Number 10. Do you think war can solve the problems between nations? Give reasons for your answer. No, I don't think war can solve the problems between nations. It can only destroy lives and properties and build enmity between nations.